Okay, for this, I'm sorry,
One, two, three. You're walking in the woods. Going around when your phone is there. Out of the corner of your eye, you spot him. He's following you about 30 feet back. He gets down on all fours and breaks into a sprint. He's gaining you. Shia LaBeouf. You're looking for your car, but you're all turned around. He's almost upon you now, and you can see there's blood on his face. My God, there's blood everywhere. Running for your life, it's Shia LaBeouf. He's brandishing a knife, it's Shia LaBeouf. Lurking in the shadows. Hollywood superstar Shia LaBeouf. Living in the woods, Shia LaBeouf. Killing for sport, Shia LaBeouf. Eating all the bodies. Actual cannibal Shia LaBeouf. Now it's dark, and you seem to have lost him. But you're hopelessly lost yourself. Stranded with a murder, you creep silently through the underbrush. Aha! In the distance, a small cottage with a lamp. Hope! You creep stealthily towards it, but your leg, it's caught in a bear trap. Gnawing off your leg. Quiet. Living to the cottage. Now you're on the doorstep. Sitting inside, Shia LaBeouf. Sharpening your knives, Shia LaBeouf. But he doesn't hear you enter, Shia LaBeouf. You're sneaking up behind him. As you wish you stole Shia LaBeouf. Fighting with a fight with Shia LaBeouf. Turns a little knife from Shia LaBeouf. Stabbing in his kidney. Save that eyes from Shia LaBeouf. You limp into the dark woods. Blood oozing from your stumped leg that you have won. You have beaten Shia LaBeouf. Wait, he isn't dead. Shy surprise, there's a gun to your head and death in his eyes. But you can do jujitsu. You can do it. Body slam, superstar Shia LaBeouf. Legendary fight with Shia LaBeouf. No more Tuesday night for Shia LaBeouf. You try to swing an axe at Shia LaBeouf, but blood is draining fast from your stumped leg. He dodges every swipe. You carry to the left, you carry to the right. You catch him in the neck. You're jumping on his head now. You have just decapitated Shia LaBeouf. His head topples to the floor, expressionless. You fall to your knees and catch your breath. You're finally safe from Shia LaBeouf.